Good morning, Prep1. This is a new lesson, reflection in a straight line. As we see, when we want to find the image of point by reflection on a straight line, as a figure, point A, we want to make a reflection to the point A with a straight line L, then we can find A dash is the reflection of point A. Another example, we want to find the image not for a point but for a polygon by reflection in a given straight line. We have here the figure triangle ABC. We want to make a reflection with triangle ABC with a straight line L. As it, we find reflection of triangle ABC is A dash, B dash, C dash. Then we can say triangle ABC congruent triangle A dash, B dash, C dash. As we see, point A is 2 and 3. If we want to make a reflection with x-axis, we have to change the sign of of y. Then when we want to make a reflection with x-axis, change the sign with y. As it, A equal 2 and 3. Reflection with x-axis, then we can say A dash equal 2 and negative 3. Then this is reflection with x-axis. Point 2 and 4, by reflection with x-axis, 2 negative 4. Negative 2 and negative 1, we can say reflection with x-axis, negative 2 and 1. Reflection with negative 5 and 3, then we can say negative 5 and negative 3. 7 and negative 2, we can say the reflection with x-axis, 7 and 2. As we see before, reflection with x-axis change y. Reflection with y-axis change x. This is an example, 5 and 1 with x-axis, 5 and negative 1. With y-axis, negative 5 and 1. 2 and negative 3. With x-axis, 2 and 3. And with y-axis, negative 2 and negative 3. Negative 4 and 1. With x-axis, negative 4 and negative 1 and negative 4. With y-axis, 1 and 4. And all the remaining points as the same. This example, draw triangle ABC where 1 A equal 1 and 1, B 4 and 1, C 3 and 3. Then draw its image by reflection with x-axis and y-axis. First, I'll make reflection with x-axis. Draw ABC triangle with point 1 and 1 A, B 4 and 1, C 3 and 3. Then we can say reflection with x-axis. Then A dash will be A and negative 1 and negative 1. B 4 and negative 1, C 3 and negative 3, and draw the triangle as a figure as we see. This is a reflection with x-axis. Another figure, the reflection with y-axis. Then we have to change the sign of x. Then we can say A dash negative 1 and 1, B dash negative 4 and 1, C dash negative 3 and 3. Then draw with the reflection with x-axis as we see. Axis of symmetry. We studied before in prime 4 and prime 5. The axis of symmetry. What does it mean, axis of symmetry? Axis of symmetry is a line segment or a straight line to the line segment perpendicular to it, to the midpoint, and it divides the polygon or the shape to two equal shapes. Then, as we see, we have three kinds of triangle: isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle and scalene triangle. Isosceles triangle already has only one axis of symmetry to divide it into two triangles equal. Then we can say isosceles triangle have one axis of symmetry. Equilateral triangle, it means three sides are equal. Then we can say we have three axes of symmetry. Scalene, it means that three sign is different, three side is different. Then we can say zero axis of symmetry. Also parallelogram doesn't has axis of symmetry equal 0. Rectangle equal 2 axes of symmetry, and rhombus equal 2 axes of symmetry. Square equal 4 axes of symmetry. Trapezium, 0 axis of symmetry. Isosceles trapezium, like isosceles triangle, only 1 axis of symmetry. The circle has infinite number of axes of symmetry, as we see. A regular pentagon, regular. What does it mean, regular? If you remember, regular, it means all sides are equal in length, all angle equal in measure. Then we can say regular pentagon has 5 axis of symmetry, because pentagon has 6 or 5 pentagon. If then we can say pentagon have 5 sides and 5 angles, then we can say it has 5 axis of symmetry. Regular hexagon, it means I have 6 sides, then I can say 6 axes of symmetry. This is example for reflection. Let's try. The image of point A by reflection with Li. Point A, as we see, and Li. Point A with Li, it means y-axis. Then we can say D is a reflection of point A. Number 2, the image of AM with reflection with XM, AM as we see, and the XM as we see. Then we can say with x-axis, then we can say BM is a reflection with AM. Number 3, the image of triangle ALM by reflection in LY, ALM with LY, then we can say DLM. The image of triangle ALM by reflection with XZ, ALM with XZ as x-axis, then we can say triangle PYM. Number 5, the image of triangle ALM by reflection AM, ALM by reflection AM means triangle AXM. As I see, I consider XZ as x-axis and LY as a y-axis. Number 7, the image of triangle AMB by reflection XZ. As I say x-axis, then I can say triangle BMA. The image of square AXML by reflection LY, like y-axis, then I can say DZML, and by reflection in AM is ALMX. Number 9, the image of a square ABCD by reflection LY is LY, it means y-axis, then I can say DCBA. Number 10, MZD is image of triangle MZDC by reflection by MZ. And finally, AXM triangle is the image of triangle CYM by reflection in BD. Another example, ABC is a triangle. We want to make a reflection with x-axis, then we have to change the sign of y. Then we can say A dash equal 2 and negative 2, B dash 6 and negative 6, and C dash 6 and negative 4. Another example, we make a reflection for triangle ABC with y-axis, then we can change the sign of x, then we can say A dash equal negative 1 and 1, B dash 1 and 2, C dash equal negative 2 and 4. This is the end of our session. Thank you, Prep 1.